Nomad's Dream, Beyond Boundaries and Borders.
Hello and welcome back to Cinema for a Cause presents Nomad's Dream. I am Dipankita and today we have with us Dr. Ashish Toru Shaha. Dr. Shaha is a dentist by profession, a nomad by passion and a photographer by eventuality. And today he is going to take us to the location of his choice. Trust me, this episode is going to blow your mind with amazing pictures and amazing stories. We are going to a very special location today. So let's not wait for anything else. Let's go for today's trip.
Nomad's Dream, Beyond Boundaries and Borders.
Where is Salvard? I asked. This was my patient around 10-12 years back who visited my clinic, and knowing about my interests in going around the world and exotic places, he suggested me the Salvard. And then he answered that Salvard is a small island in an archipelago north of Norway, around 3 hours by flight from Oslo. And this is a place where there are around 1800 people staying in the winter times, whereas there are more than 3,000 polar bears in and around Salvard. And at that moment only I was fascinated. I searched the internet, scurried over all through the informations, and ultimately I made a plan that took me around 10 to 11 years before I actually landed at Salvard in 2019 with my wife in the May-June. From Kolkata to Delhi to Copenhagen to Oslo and ultimately to Salvard. That is Longyearbyen. From Longyearbyen, we took an expedition vessel, the Nordsjøen, which is a 1956 old vessel from the 1956, renovated for this purpose. For 4 days and 5 nights, we went through and went up till north, 80-degree north latitude, and crossed it for the first time that year, breaking ice. And we witnessed the plenty and bounty of the sea life, but the polar bear was elusive. We saw the walruses, we saw the birds, we saw the bird cliffs, and we trekked on the ice, and we came back after 5 days, and my mind was still hovering around when to find the polar bear. So we had 1 day left at Longyearbyen. We took our last chance in a voyage called the Catch of the Day. As we started that day, we saw plenty of seals and beluga whales and the usual seabirds. But suddenly, we spotted a polar bear. And everybody was silenced on the boat. And the polar bear was actually running after a seal. It was a bearded seal which was resting on a block of floating ice, and without making much sound, this polar bear started swimming. We all wanted that it be successful because it is so very difficult to find food for the polar bear these days. But after all, life is life, and at the last moment, the seal got an air that the polar bear was behind, and it jumped off. And I took a series of photographs of the whole episodes. Failed in the attempt. Suddenly, the polar bear got interested with us, the people in the small reed boat, and it started swimming towards us. And that is when I got my eye-to-eye shot of the polar bear. And ultimately the polar bear went away. And we celebrated on the deck itself with our glass of champagne. Next destination. Well, with this pandemic around, next destination outside the country to plan it is really tricky. What we are actually planning now is to photograph the snow leopards in the Spiti Valley. For some years now, these snow leopards and sometimes in pairs are coming to the Kibir village in the Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh. We are planning, hopefully, in next February, March, if things are better, we would like to visit there and make some nice photographs of the elusive snow leopard.
Nomad's Dream, Beyond Boundaries and Borders.
Oh my god, this is such an amazing trip. Such mesmerizing pictures and amazing storytelling. Thank you so much to Dr. Shah for sharing this amazing experience with us. And now, it's your turn. You have to take us to the location of your choice. Participate in Nomad's Dream just by WhatsApping me in 90733111094, or you can also email me at dipankita.ghosh1999@gmail.com. Keep traveling with us, keep watching Nomad's Dream, keep supporting us, and make your lockdown days better.